Ay, tono. Kunik-kunik ko yung highlight.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, hi. Good evening. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
How are you today?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. I have
Okay, you're doing great.
yes.
Okay, so today let us have the lesson in business English. Let us try, huh? Okay, let us
Okay.
try the business English lesson. Okay, wait, okay, so we have here. Can you say this, Tono? Tono, can you see this one? Huh?
Mm.
Okay, so we have here greetings and goodbyes. Okay, first, before you read the passage, talk about discussions because we have here the passage. Okay, first, what do you say and do when you meet a friend, Tono? Example, you will gonna meet a friend. What you will gonna say and what you will gonna do?
Um, I I say hello and talking to myself and um talk with they and ask some question about they.
Okay, so you will gonna say hi. Maybe you will say hi. Okay, and you will gonna say or you will gonna ask, how's the person's day? Now, do people, when they greet in your country, what do you think of this? Do people kiss? Did they kiss when you greet? In my country, sometimes they kiss and sometimes they shake the hands. What do you think? Do people kiss when they greet in your country? Dai.
I think is I don't care about this.
Mm-hmm. Do people greet?
I don't usually go out, so I don't care something.
Do people kiss when they greet in your country? Like, do they say hi, or do they say you shake their hands or kiss in your country in Vietnam?
Mm. Change, I think change the hand.
I shake the hands only.
Yeah.
Shake the hands. They only shake the hands. Okay. So here, Tono. So please try to read etiquette. After you read, you tell me if you're done. Okay. Okay, so we call those greetings as etiquette. Okay, so we have many way on how to greet a person. Okay, so
Mm.
many way on how to have them. Okay, please read and after please answer the questions.
Yes.
You tell me if you're done, huh? 1008. 1008. Okay, so if you are done, please complete the word or phrase with the same meaning as the underlined part. Okay, example, the manager said, I am happy to see you. What do you think will be the answer? Okay, so we have here the puzzle. Please try to answer that one. Okay,
Mhm.
you tell me if you're done, huh? Okay, done.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is the answer for number one? The manager said, I am happy to see you. Means, leave.
Please
What is the answer?
in the chat, teacher.
Ah, in the chat. Wait me, ha. Okay, very good. Pleased to meet you. Two, be polite when you meet and say hello to a client. You are gonna correct, greet. And three, some people kiss on the side of the face. Okay, it is cheek. Okay, side of the face. It was good to see and get to know you. It was, what is it? What is your answer? It was nice. Okay, meeting you. Wow, very good. Great job, Tono. So the one we mentioned, we call it etiquette. This is the way on how you are going to greet the person. Okay. In AD form from other countries, it's different. In US and Europe, they were going to handshake, but it's firm. It's quite hard. But in Asians like Vietnam, like Philippines, we do the handshaking, which is quite soft. Okay, like that only when you meet and greet with the person, not that firm, not that very hard. Okay. And also, they try to kiss on the cheek from other countries. Okay. Now, it's in someone in the Middle East, their men sometimes greet each other with a kiss. Oh, so in the Middle East, in the Muslim countries, they greet each other with a kiss, even though they're men. But in my country, I guess in your country too, we will not greet each other if we're a man blowing a kiss. Okay, that's rare. Okay, very good, Tono. Okay, so here. Now, Tono, you read the sentences pairs. You read the sentence pairs. Choose where the words best fit in the block. Okay, you have here, huh? Please answer one, two, three. Your choices are bow, customs, kiss, shake hands, polite, and firm. Okay, good. Just write your answer in the chat box again.
Mhm.
Just choose.
Mhm.
Mhm, mhm. Yeah. Okay.
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 Moving.
You tell. Oh, just answer. Teacher is waiting. Okay. I will just wait. Please tell me if you are done. Okay.
Okay. Japanese teacher.
Okay, let me see. Okay, Bo, okay. Most nations have different blank for greeting strangers. Okay, Japanese businessmen often bow to each other. Okay, number one is customs, and two is Japanese businessmen always bow. They bow each other. Okay, next one, kiss and shake hands. Okay, kiss and shake hands. Okay, so some people don't kiss unless they are in a romantic relationship. Okay, very good. Business people often shake their hands when they come to an agreement. Oh, example, you agree, oh, that's okay. Or you are gonna shake your hands. Okay, three. So polite and firm. Be polite when meeting new people. In America, a blunt, firm. Okay, I already told you that in America and Europe, handshake firm. It's quite hard. Hard handshake shows a strong personality. Okay? That's it. Okay, very good, Tono. Okay, so this one. Now, let us have here, Tono, the second lessons. We have introductions. How to do introductions to etiquette. Look at the pictures. Okay, in the pictures, you can see people are greeting, they're shaking the hands, the boys, right? Okay. So you can see in here. And so we have your introductions to etiquette. Okay, please read. And after a while, we're gonna answer questions. Imagine you are at a conference, Tona, talking to a colleague. Suddenly, an old friend greets you. Of course, you're happy to see him. And you start talking excitedly. Stop. What about your colleague? Don't leave her alone. Introduce your friend and colleague by saying, oh, look at this. This is left out. It means I did not know. Okay, we are friends, but you did not introduce me to your other friend. So I was left out. Or let me introduce you to Blanc. Okay, like, oh, hello, Tonyo. This is my friend, me. Can you introduce me to you? Okay. Make sure each person understand your relationship with each other and mention its relationship. Okay. So think of something the two have in common and steer the conversations in that direction. The way neither of them will feel left out. Okay, because of course, example, your friend will gonna you met your old friend and you have your new friend, but then you forgot that you have new friend. Okay, what you will going to happen? Oh, your new friend will be left out because you did not try to introduce her or you did not try to introduce him to the old friend. So that is proper introductions. Although you met your old friend, but always remember you have your new friend that you need to introduce with. Okay, you understand, Tono?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so have you tried it? You have a new friend and you have an old friend and you meet your old friend. Have you tried it? Hmm?
Mm,
Like
I
like you're walking and you have friend and then your old friend say, "Hi, Tono," and then you are with your new friend. And then you say, "Hi," and you keep on talking to your old friend and you did not know you have your new friend beside you. She was left out. Oh, how have you tried to experience that one?
I can say hi
Hmm?
and talk about myself and ask some question about how the new friend and I tell some about my life or something else.
Mm-hmm.
when I make new friends.
Okay, so you're gonna probably say about your life, about schools, about everything. Okay, so that's it. Now, how you will gonna introduce? Okay, it is polite, Tono, to introduce your old friend to your new friend. Okay, now get ready. Before you read the passage, what are some situations in which Tonu you have introduced people? Okay, can you give me some situation in which you introduce to people? Have you tried it?
Mm,
Have you tried?
I think yes.
Okay, can you tell me what are those situations in which you introduce to people? Have you experienced? You have that experience in which you introduce to people.
I think first I have confidence to intro about myself to people.
Okay, of course, you have confidence to introduce yourself to people. Okay, have you tried it that you introduce yourself to people?
Yes.
Okay, when? Can you tell me?
When I have some lesson or to tell with class and I is I I tell about my lesson, my project for the class,
Okay,
some
so what
lesson.
are the differences between good and bad introductions? Have you experienced? What are the differences between bad and good introductions? Do you have or do you experience bad and good introductions?
Mm, I
Hmm?
think that is I sign or I have a problem
Mhm.
when I in the case.
How about good introductions? Have you experienced good introductions?
I have edge and confidence and I don't have many problem with my project when I tell to my class and my teacher.
Okay, so you have that. Yeah, okay, so have you tried having bad introductions? Have you tried having bad introductions? Have you tried it?
Yes,
Oh, what happened, Tono, when you have your bad introductions?
I have some problem and some project I sign because I don't to prepare careful this project.
Okay, so here. Now, Tono, please look at this. Read this extract from the etiquette guide, then mark the following as true or false. If you think it's correct, you write true. If you think it's not correct, you write false. Okay, go.
Mm,
You write true or false only, okay? Okay, go. Write true or false. You tell me if you're done, huh? Okay, true. If you think it's true, then second, true or false only.
We can finish picture.
Okay, so what is the answer? Wait ha. Pause. And conversation with a colleague before talking to a friend. Okay. And conversations with a colleague before talking to a friend. Okay. It's false. Do not talk about work when introducing to people. Okay. Yes. Okay. Of course. Do not try to talk about work when you introduce to other people because they don't have the same field of interest. They don't have the same work. Okay? Mentioning people's common interests makes them feel included. Yes, correct. If you mention like, oh, do you know that? You like to dance? Oh, yeah, I also love to dance. So it makes them feel included in the topic. Very good, Dono. Thank you. Okay, this one. Now choose the word that is closest. It means very near in meaning to the underlined part. Okay? You choose the correct word. Closest, it means near to the meaning of the part. My teeth tunnel, it's hurt. Okay? Job, change the topic, person with whom she works, tell you the name of the friend. Those are the topic.
Teacher, uh, um, I can't see the question for.
Ah, number four. Oh, it's number four only until number four first. Okay. So we have here job. Ah, wait, ha.
Mm,
Okay. So do you have the word job? Okay. It's only number four until four. Wait,
okay.
ha. Job. Okay, that one. Can you see it now?
Yes. Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Da, 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 da. Dali mo ito din. At tunod. Paggamay. 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 Sino marikida? We only have four questions. Job, change the topic, person with whom she works, tell you the name of my friend. Okay, let me see.
Okay.
Okay, number
James.
one, James like to talk about his job. What is job? Very good. It is occupation. Wow, great job, no?
And
Change the topic away from politics. What is change the topic? You will gonna be steer the conversations. Okay, steer change. Next, Karen is talking to a person with whom she works. Oh, very good. It's colleague. Okay. So the same office, the same work. Okay, next. Let me tell you the name of my friend, Bob Hawkins. Okay. Introduce you. Yay. One mistake only. Very good, Tono. Tono, we are using business because you're good enough. So at least we can explore more of it. Okay? Now, here, Tono. Please write true or false in this one. Okay,
mm,
wait. Please, letter number four. Put a check next to the response. Okay? Have you met your friend before? You put a check to your response. If you think letter A, put a check A. Go. If you think
okay.
letter B, you put letter B. Okay, done. Okay, Tono, the Zoom ends. Please get in the Zoom again, okay? I will wait you.
Okay.
Me.
Okay.